Hello, furry friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about dogs, and more dogs. Today, we've got a possum episode for you from our series, German Shepherds on Patrol. Meet R&L. Two super smart German Shepherds aren't just your average pups. They're security experts. In this episode, they're sniffing out the safety, cleanliness, and fun factor of a park called Woodland Dog Field. Link in the description below. Let's see how R&L rated this park. Size to paws, good 2 acres of securely fenced mature conifer wood. R&L loved sniffing it out. Hooman didn't like it was very muddy, in some places impossible to walk. Agility equipment, 0 paws, no toys or agility equipment. Water stations, 0 paws, no drinking water for dogs or water hose. Waste disposal, 0 paws, no poo bags provided. Cleanliness for paws, the park was pretty clean. Security for paws, the fencing was good and very secure off-road car park. Extra features, 0 paws. Price, 2 paws, good price at £12 for 60-minute on weekdays. Booking for paws, easy to book online and find the park. Overall, R&L gave this park to paws up. It's a great spot for dogs to spend some time in nature. Ground could be improved as some places were impossible to walk in as it was very muddy. No toys, water, or towels were provided. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your favorite dog parks. See you next time.